The global energy markets are going through a time of great change. There's a need to drive down carbon emissions. There's a need to increase the amount of renewable energy. And this is forcing them to change their model for 80 odd years to a new world. The ageing infrastructure problem is causing challenges in terms of supply not being able to meet demand, particularly from the developing countries. So therefore, you need to more efficiently deliver electricity and generate electricity. Bringing renewables on board generates a number of issues around the variability of that energy. And so that means that the networks have got to respond much quicker to changes in demand to bring that new energy online and also to deal with it when it's not there. The other challenge that they have is around energy consumption. So they need to have a better understanding of what's going on within their network infrastructure to understand how their customers are behaving and in more real time than they have before, so that they get much greater granularity of what's going on in the network and they can manage it appropriately. Cisco's strategy is to help them to develop networking technologies and to provide them with networking equipment that helps them facilitate that. So we've had to develop a series of products that are adapted to work in those physical environments. So extended temperature range, dust and water needs to be accommodated. So we recognise that our part in this story is really around the communications piece and providing the equipment that allows them to do that. I think the aspiration for everyone, or all the parties involved, is to improve the efficiency of the electricity distribution network primarily, where we can easily bring renewable energy onto the network and we know that it's there and we can manage it, and one where we are effectively driving down the carbon output of the energy supply chain, but also to in some way avoid making lots of capital investment that's unnecessary. And that means challenging a lot of the paradigms that they've operated under for many years.